How freaking cute are these flowers? We are going to make the easiest Easter treat that you've ever made in your life. Big thank you to Life of the Love Days who's hosting this collab. If you're looking to impress your friends and family with an amazing Easter treat, check out the link in the description box below with lots of my other YouTube gal pals are making incredible Easter treats. But if you're looking to phone it in while still bringing something remotely Pinterest worthy, you're in the right place. Keep watching. Okay, ladies, bring forth the ingredients. Tired mom forgets main ingredient in recipe with only 3 ingredients. Off to the market. Back to your regularly scheduled programming.
Don't be amused, it's just the news.
The ingredients you'll need for this recipe. 4 3-ounce packages of peas, 6 tablespoons of salted butter, 6 cups of Rice Krispies cereal. Literally, we went to 2 stores and they didn't have Rice Krispies. Bougie Rice Krispie treats that are all natural and organic, which we are about to completely toxify with the Peeps. First step is to remove all of the Peeps eyeballs. Fill a microwave safe bowl with 1 color and then add a tablespoon of butter. 45 seconds. Add food coloring to make them even more vibrant.
I'm in
Now stir them up.
Okay, let me just stop this really quick. I'm not taking any of this. I'm gonna.
Wow, this is really. It looks like green.
Can I mash it?
Look how stringy.
Can I mash it? The yellow.
What are you doing?
Yellow.
Refrigerate for 1 hour.
Nailed it. I nailed it.